Let's make this meal with just 500 naira while I share a story from one of my followers. I think my mother-in-law wished she was the one that married her son. I have heard many stories about mother-in-laws and daughter-in-laws that I prayed to God all my life that I want my case to be different. I have been married for 7 months now. Throughout the course of my relationship with my husband, I never met his mother. I only met her after he proposed, and if I knew before proposal, I would have never said yes. This woman is very mean. I humbled myself before her because I wanted us to have a very nice relationship, but I doubt that she even wants a relationship with me at all. I will go to her house, try to help her cook, wash her clothes just so she will like me, but she just doesn't see. My husband told me that she doesn't like me because I am Igbo. Sometimes if I greet her, she will not answer. With the way she looks at me sometimes and says something in Yoruba, I feel like she insults me in Yoruba. He has only 2 children, 2 boys, and my husband is the first child. The second child is 16 and in SS3. She lost her husband after birthing her second child. This woman will kiss goodbye my husband on the lips, and I don't mean peko, a deep kiss. She will visit us 6 to 7 times a week. Ever since I went to her house to wash clothes on my own, she now calls me by herself to come and wash her and her son's clothes. I've complained to my husband many times, and he will say I should just do what she says because she doesn't like me and I should just try to win her over. Thought things like this only happen in movies until it happened to me. Once she came visiting and I was the one that opened the door to let her in. She walked right past me without responding to my greeting, to the point that I had to even wonder if I was invisible. I have done nothing wrong to her. I found out I am barely a month pregnant 3 days ago, and I'm thinking of terminating the pregnancy and leaving this marriage now. Because this marriage is actually still very early. Please, what do you advise?
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all. Bye bye.